Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to block YouTube channel. It's super easy actually. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the YouTube app on your phone. Click on it. Now here, you're gonna choose a channel that you want to block. Let's say for example this. And you'll be able to see the three dots at the right side of the screen. Tap on it and it will give you these options. In order for you to not see the content of this channel, you just need to click not interested. This tells YouTube you're not interested in content from this channel. But if you want to go further, you just need to click don't recommend channel below not interested, and this will stop the channel's content from appearing on your YouTube home. Now, there's another option, and if you really don't want to interact with the channel or the channel to interact with you, go to the channel page. Just click on their profile icon and click here on the three dots located at the top right corner of this screen. And there will be an option to hide user from my channel. So you just need to click on it and confirm by clicking hide user. This will prevent the channel from commenting, liking, subscribing, or even visiting your channel. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.